Hey guys, this is Pino again, and you're welcome. Today I am using the mincemeat and mincemeat and a coconut milk to make the stew. Because usually we make the stew after of like the beef, chicken. I'm using the mincemeat. I roll it the way I want it, but you can always roll it the way you want it, make you feel happy. So I'm using the coconut milk today. I use 2 of this. This meat is 400 milliliter because this one is 200 milliliter. So I'm using 2 of this. So it means it's 400 milliliters. So here we go. So we are using the coconut milk to make the stew. So here we go. Now I have my coconut milk here. I have here some garlic mixed up with a mixed bell peppers here and onions. I mix everything in that. I just mix everything in that one. We put it all together over there. Mix like that, and then you can use any blender you have. I'm using today this small one because it's just enough for what I want to do. So now I'm just putting in my blender. I'm sorry for that noise, but this is how we get things done. So now it's mixed up here. There is also here, there is this, I'm gonna mix together with this curcuma. Is like, this is a dye for the food. It's making the food yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that because I want my sauce to be yellow. So I'm going to go ahead to mix that up. It's like a curry. If you don't have this one, you can use it. You can use always the curry, you know, or you don't even need to make it yellow. You can make it any color you want, really. So it doesn't really need it. So mix it again. My coconut milk. Who doesn't like the coconut milk? Coconut milk tastes good. So now here we go. So here I have my mincemeat frying. I'm adding right ahead the coconut milk sauce in there in my pan. So this is tastes very, very great. It tastes really, really great because you see, when we do this also, you know, we have to remember that we have to taste. There's no measurement here necessary. You just have to taste what we're cooking. See, it's just look like that. So I want my stew to look like that, kind of yellowish. So it looks great like that. So we just have to taste and see how it tastes like. I think I'm satisfied with the taste right there. I'm satisfied with my taste. You don't need to do anything else here. It just looks so good, just like that. So it's just nothing special really. So I have here my corianders, which I can just, you know, just put it on top there. So, you know, my mincemeat here, you can roll it like kind of meatballs, roundy, like if you want. So I have here my cooking, like go ahead, I'm cooking this mincemeat and the sauce. So I have here, I'm serving this one with rice. And right now, you know, as quick as this goes, it's so quick because the mincemeat is already fried. So now we go ahead, we're dishing up, because it's already ready, you know, so there's nothing to waste because all things is grounded together. So as you can see here, I'm dishing on my plates. It looks so pretty, you know. It looks so yummy with eating with, you know, it's like thick, and it's nice to serve with the rice. So nice and thick. So I hope you're gonna try, you know, to make you know, every time you try something different. If it doesn't work, you try again. So there's nothing wrong with trying. We always try, you know, to if it doesn't work, you have nothing to lose but to try again. So here is it. I have my mincemeat. You can use here also really, you know, chicken. So here we go. You can use the chicken if you have chicken in this one. So I just put a little bit of my, you know, you don't really need, but me, I like to decorate my food. I like, to make my food look so pretty, pretty, pretty. So now I have here my corianders. This is a short lunch that I'm sharing today also, now. So I'm decorating with my corianders. I usually talk about coriander. It's my favorite herb. I love it. It's making the food, it's making the soup. It's making, everything so nice. So here I have my rice here. I have rice and to eat with this my coconut. To eat with my coconut stew. So here we go. So I have everything here ready. So there's nothing that we can do. We just dish up the plate and enjoy. I have rice here. I mix it with the peas. Everybody knows how to cook rice, really. Can cook it anyhow. So here I have my rice mixed up with the corns and some peas. So here is my plate look like. I hope you like the look of my plate here. I really do like it. And this is my rice here. And you can serve it with this too. Yeah, there we go. So now I hope that you enjoy this short video. And because there's nothing complicated about this, it's just all about ground things ready, fry ready, and then you just dish up there and you enjoy your meal. Thank you guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. And next time you join me again when we do something new together. Okay, bye.